Hey guys, welcome to AquaLab Kids. My name is Andy and this is my first episode of a new channel, so I hope to see you around and I hope you guys stick around. Today we're going to be doing Sea Monkeys Neon Ocean View unboxing and follow-up video. We're going to watch these little guys grow up, hopefully reproduce, create families, and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's get to it. The original Sea Monkeys Neon Ocean Zoo. Now everybody's got their own story as to why sea monkeys didn't work for them. And I'll show you guys today a few things you could do just to improve your probability of doing well. They're actually fairly easy as long as you follow a couple things. First off, you want to make sure you don't have a knockoff brand. So a lot of the newer branding that has the original Sea Monkeys. They usually state back here, pouches 1, 2, and 3 made in the USA, all other parts made in usually China. So as long as those pouches 1, 2, and 3 are in the USA, you should be, you're looking good. Let's take this thing apart. We've got a original Sea Monkeys handbook. All sorts of fun information in here. Got pouch number 1, water purifier, made in the USA. Also usually states it down here as well on the bottom. Then we have pouch number 2, instant live eggs, also made in the USA, and you can see it down there on the bottom as well. And then we have pouch number 3, growth food, made in the USA. They don't always say in the front here, but you can find it back here, made in the USA. And then we've got ourselves a nice little Sea Monkeys feeding spoon. With our feeder. A little Sea Monkey paddle here to stir the tank up. We've got the lid of the tank. And the Ocean Zoo, the Neon Ocean Zoo tank. Here is an instructional sheet. There is a warranty. They still have these warranties after all these years. They have the 2-year guarantee, guaranteed to grow. Here is a chart in the back. The warmer the water, the faster the Sea Monkeys hatch. I think we're ready to do this, to fill this tank up. So step 1, I like to rinse my tank. Usually, anything involving aquatic life or even terrestrial life, you want to rinse. You want to rinse the plastic. So give me 1 second. Alright, here's our tank. Gonna dry out the outside with a paper towel just so I don't get any dry water droplets there. Let's dry this too, why not? Alright, so I like to use half distilled water and half spring water, believe it or not. There's some old instructions that say to use spring water. There's some new instructions that say to use distilled water. And I've done this a few times, and I've had the best luck with using both, actually. So here's our spring. And now there is a line right up here to the level we should fill it. Spring. Here's distilled. Pouch number 1, water purifier, made in the USA. Alright. Now I'm not going to give up all the magic, but I'll give you guys one little trick and one little tip. There's actually sea monkey eggs in pouch number 1, believe it or not. It's part of this little magic trick. Alright, now we're going to stir that as well as we can. Some people like to use straws and pencil erasers. For the sake of these videos, I'm going to use all sea monkey related products only. Can't wait to get to the Magic Castle, so we can open up some of those aqua leashes, which is an easier way to stir and aerate little tanks. Pouch number 1 is inside our Ocean Zoo, our Neon Ocean Zoo little aquarium. It's all stirred in, and now we're going to wait 24 hours before we can open pouch number 2, instant live eggs. So this is where we're going to be storing this sea monkey tank. It's right here on top of one of these overgrown planted aquariums I have. We've got a nice little LED touchscreen light here that's on a timer. So this is going to work out perfect for our little sea monkeys. And we can just come on here and check them out. And we could drop this down whenever we're done, just because we don't want this aquarium to start creating a lot of algae. A little bit is good, but too much, and it looks ugly. And it also, a lot of the sea monkeys start to get stuck in all of the dust and the algae as well. So this is day 1. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this first video. Can't wait for tomorrow and to hatch our sea monkey eggs, and looking forward to the future for all the science experiments and all the fun things we're going to be doing and all the informational videos.